What we have here is a common cutting board for the kitchen. It could also be a kitchen countertop. Especially the latter often have the most extravagant names that have nothing to do with the actual rock type. The name granite is frequently used. Let's take a closer look to see if this is actually a granite. What do we observe? We see large white minerals and smaller gray ones and even smaller black minerals. All mineral grains are evenly distributed. The white ones dominate in quantity, followed by the gray and the black ones. In standard nomenclature for igneous rocks with high contents of bright minerals, the black minerals are irrelevant. And this here is an igneous rock. Roughly approximating, we are dealing with 1/3 quartz and 2/3 feldspar. The feldspar can be divided into two groups, but they are difficult to distinguish here since they are monochromatic. In any case, the proportions of quartz and feldspar lead to only one conclusion. This is indeed granite. For completeness, we can make approximate statements about the black minerals, likely dark mica or biotite, and amphibole. However, this would require more detailed analysis. Why is the quartz gray? Because quartz itself has no strong inherent color, but is translucent. This means you are seeing the minerals located behind the quartz grains. How can amphibole be distinguished from biotite, the dark mica? Mica is a platy mineral, which can also be described as foliated. It consists of many layers of individual sheets stacked on top of another. Depending on the cross-sectional view, they appear either from the side or from above. They exhibit strong luster when viewed from above, but less so from the side. If the layers are thin, that means very few in number, they appear elongated and barely shiny. Amphibole, unfortunately, is also elongated, but forms a single cohesive unit rather than layered sheets. Its luster is less intense. In this granite, these grains, with their well-defined crystal edges, idiomorphic or self-shaped, could be amphibole. The shiny spot directly adjacent to them might even be the surface of a light mica, a muscovite, which hasn't been mentioned yet. A mineral also typical for granites, but less commonly found here.